Hey, I'm Matthew, founder of True AI, and I wanted to show you a few of my favorite ways to use our tool. Firstly, make sure that you've pinned it. That means tapping the puzzle piece and tapping the pin. Once you've done that, the extension will work on every site. You'll notice this little floating widget on the right-hand side and the menu from here. The first thing I'd like to show you is going to YouTube. I can click on this widget here, and I've got three different endpoints: Compose, Verify, and Analyze Page. Compose allows me to write anything from scratch. So if I wanted to leave a compelling comment or suddenly write a poem, I can. I can say, write a joke about frogs. I can ask it to compose anything, a long-form email to my dad, a research paper, a poem, but this is going to do for today. And by the way, that joke is terrible. Then I might go to the verify endpoint, which is, as I'm watching this video, something that I want to know about, like, is this really true? Is this correct? What about this claim? This is what the verify endpoint is for. Right now, I'll keep it on the frogs theme, and I'll say, what is the biggest frog? And what the verify endpoint does is it combines AI with a verification layer, which means it goes and checks on the internet for the latest information. So you can ask really important questions about war, about what the current going on of geopolitics in the world, really anything that would benefit or service you. And finally, this is probably my favorite feature, is the Analyze Page endpoint, and it includes YouTube videos. So I can say, what is going on in this video? I might do this to improve my ability to study and follow up with something, or to just get an alternative perspective on what happened in the video, or to see if the video is even worth my time. I mean, it's 27 minutes long. Here I can read a transcript. I can understand that that's quite interesting. Maybe it's worth watching the video, but really I mostly just want to learn about the topic. So why don't I look at related questions, and we generate questions for you that might be compelling. Like, for example, what are some examples of these questionable actions or questionable practices? And it will then utilize the AI to actually discern and provide you valuable information. This is incredibly useful for studying news reports, for journalism, for academics. I'd love to see how you use it. Please tweet at us at JoinTrueNation to share with us how you manage to benefit from this. The final feature that I wanted to show you that I just really love, because it's so elegant and easy, is replying. A lot of you will be using AI as part of your jobs to reply and engage on Twitter. Well, once you've installed True, you just tap the logo and it gives you several reply suggestions in my tone of voice and in the language I select. I actually really like this agreement one, because I do agree with this great post by Dylan, and I can insert it and post it. At any point, I can make an amendment, change it or improve it, make it more formal, more funny, or whatever else I like. But the idea is that this feature, which works on both social media and email, allows you to massively speed up the time that you engage with people. Can't wait to see how you use the extension. We're going to be rolling out updates all the time. And if we can do anything to support you, just tweet at us or send us an email.